Queen's Life Beauties, welcome back to the channel. Happy MLK Day. Today's video is going to be an experiment. I normally use henna to cover my grays, but today I wanted to try out indigo. And so yes, I'm going to be preparing this mixture of indigo and applying it to my hair to see if it will cover my grays. And so with indigo, you don't have to let the mixture sit out overnight. You can use it within 10 to 20 minutes. You see me right now just adding some of this indigo to a plastic bowl. And so after that, I'm just going to add some coffee and a little water. And after mixing up the mixture, I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes and then apply to my hair. And instead of letting my hair dry naturally for about 3 hours, I'm going to speed up the process and sit under a warm hooded dryer until it's dry. Continue to watch and I'll show you the final results at the end of the video. Enjoy!
Life is a gift and a blessing from all. Third eye stairway, studying stars. They said women are for
The indigo dried completely, so now I'm just going to rinse it out with water.
Nurse of the sun, mother son of brave. I tell you every day you wanna make a change. It's stronger than your friend, it reminds the brain. Nothing is the same tomorrow as today. Gone are yesterday's want to make a change. People, happiness is pain, whether it's love or hate. No one is to blame, do the best you can. Annihilate the hate in this world of pain. I spend most of my time on the Golden Gate. Home is north in the bay, choose love, not hate. I see nothing but the best in you. The world has chosen what you're destined to. Do it. So beautiful and magical. You make me smile cause you're beautiful. Do it. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful.
The Indigo did not cover my grays, you guys. I just rinsed it out, and so I gotta figure out what to do next. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make a henna mixture and let it sit overnight. This is day 2 of my henna process. Well, coloring my hair naturally with henna and indigo. So this is the henna right here that I had to make because the indigo didn't quite adhere to my grays. It did turn my hair black though. It is a darker color. So here I'm just stirring up the henna before adding some indigo. All the dyes have been released out of the henna. So now I'm just going to add some indigo with a little bit of hot water and let that sit for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to apply it to my roots. But this has been an experiment, just trying to see how to do this process and to get my hair darker naturally. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add the indigo in hot water right now. And so for the indigo, I'm only going to be adding 4 tablespoons of it to this henna mixture. All right, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and I have my hot water right here. And I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. All right, you guys, so the 10 minutes has passed and I'm just showing you what my roots are looking like from yesterday. So yes, the indigo by itself did make my hair a little darker. It did produce that, so that's good. If you don't have grays and you just want a darker color, you can just use the henna by itself, I feel like. But yeah, this is what I'm trying to get rid of, the grays. So I'm just gonna put on my gloves and start applying, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. guys, so this is what it's looking like after applying the henna and indigo mixture. I've completely covered my hair. Just going to massage it in and make sure it's covering all of the roots to make sure I can get an even coverage for my grays. I'm not necessarily concerned with the ends, but yeah. This is what it's looking like. Just gonna sit up under the dryer until it dries completely and then just rinse it out. I'm not gonna use any shampoo. You're supposed to shampoo your hair before applying henna or indigo. So I like to use like a warm, tepid temperature. So see you in a few. Alright, so this is the finished look after doing the henna and indigo. I just rinsed it out. So this is the final look. This experiment was very educational for me as I get to see what works with my hair for covering my grays naturally. So instead of just using indigo, the next time I will do the henna and indigo mixture like I did on the second try, because that's what's gonna give me the great coverage. It is time for me to give myself a retie, so I'll be doing that a little bit later. I'm not gonna do it now, but I just wanted to share this video to give you some ideas on how to cover your grays naturally. This is what it's looking like. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video for today. I really appreciate you for watching. I want you to enjoy your MLK Day, and I will see you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Peace.